Hello student, what you can see in this picture? Yes, there is a tree, river, grass, a boy standing next to tree. Today we are going to learn a beautiful poem, Leisure. Leisure, the word leisure is derived from the Latin word leisure, which means relaxment. Leisure is one of the best known poems written by the Welsh poet William Henry Davies. William Henry Davies convey a beautiful message on how we are busy in our own life and have no time to appreciate our beautiful nature. Action for the poet. William Henry Davies, born on 3rd July 1871 and he died 26 September 1940. He was a Welsh poet and writer who spent much of his life as a tramp or hobo in the United Kingdom and the United States, yet become one of the most popular poets. Now let's read the poem. Leisure. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. No time to stand beneath the bough and stare as long as sheep or cows. No time to see when would we pass where squirrel hide their nut in grass. No time to see in broad daylight stars full of stars like sky at night. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can in reach that smile her eyes began. A poor life, this is full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. Written by William Henry Davies. So student, now I will explain the poem. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. Full of care means worry. Meaning of full of care is worry and stare means see. In the first stanza line, the poet say complaining about the human hazard life. The poet says that we cannot call the life a pure life if it is full of worries. We have no time to admire the beauty of the Mother Earth. I read the second stanza. No time to stand beneath the bough and stare as long as sheep or cows. Even we cannot have a few movement to stand under the branches of green tree, the beautiful and restful shadow of trees. The animal like sheep and cow are better than us in enjoying life. In this line, the poet believed that cows and sheep live a peaceful life without stressing about the pretty thing of the world. The animal enjoy the beauty of nature. Okay student, now I explain the third stanza. No time to see when would we pass where squirrel hide their nut in grass. Wood means forest. In this third stanza, poet says that when we pass though some forest, we have no time to stop for movement to look the tree tall and short and enjoy their nature beauty. We have no time to see the small creature like a squirrel hiding their food grain in the grass. The squirrel eat the nut. We have no time to see this beautiful movement. Now I read the fourth stanza. No time to see in a broad daylight, storms full of stars light skies at night. Storms means river. In our busy life, we ignore the bright sunlight or water, whose water sprinkle just like a twinkling star in the sky at night. You see the storms. The storms water are fall the sunlight are fall in the storms water. The storms look like a twinkling star in the sky at the night. So poet says the storms is look like a sky in the night. So now I read the fifth stanza. No time to turn at beauty glance and watch her feet how they can dance. Beauty of glance, poet personification of nature as a beauty of girl. In this stanza, nature has been personified as a beautiful young girl who is a dancing cheerful. The poet says that we have no time to look at the dance of this beautiful girl. The feet of dancing girl are attractive, but we spare no time to look at these feet as how they dance. Now I read the sixth stanza. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich. That smile her eyes began. Enrich means improve. In our hurry, we don't notice the smile of the beautiful girl. Like a nature, the smile which has started from her eyes and would reach her lips soon. Now I read the last stanza. A poor life, this is full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. In this last stanza, poet regarded to say that the human life, it is a poor life. It is a full of worries and has no time to stop to look at the and appreciated the beauty of nature. In this way, it is cannot be a life. It is a full of cares and worries. In this poem, the poet criticized the human on our run every day without enjoying the beautiful movement spread around us. He stressed we all blessed with a beautiful nature, so we should enjoy the beauty of nature. Now, I started a rhyming word care, stare, brown cows, pass, grass, daylight, night, glance, dance, can, begin. Today we have learned a beautiful poem, Leisure. Thank you.